Have you noticed the first signs of graying? It's a common concern that can impact how you feel about your appearance. GR-7's professional anti-grey hair lotion is a revolutionary product for both men and women, designed to reverse the greying process and restore your natural colour. The product is called GR-7 because the first effects can appear within just 7 days of use. For the first 7 days, GR-7 should be applied twice a day, in the morning and evening. It is crucial to avoid washing or wetting your hair, as well as using any other hair products during this time. For best results, hair should be at least 1 centimeter long, including on the sides and temples, especially for men. Before each application, shake the bottle well to mix the contents. Apply the product to your hands and then rub it into your scalp in a circular motion. It's important to note that if you dye your hair, you'll need to wait for at least 1 centimeter of natural regrowth, as the product needs to penetrate the hair shaft. Once the hair color is restored, you need to apply GR-7 at least twice a week and leave the product in for about 12 hours. We recommend complementing your hair care routine by incorporating GR-7's shampoo and supplements, as they help maintain and enhance the effects. Experience the transformative power of GR-7 Professional Anti-Grey Hair Lotion and restore youth to your hair.